Well, back to my shed. As you can see, it's an outside broadcast, and we're at my brother's, and he's doing the rd350. What we've got is, this is the result of the polishing. It's got a little bit of dirt on it now, but I'll polish this bit as well. Normally that's just painted black and then the sticker goes in. But once it's all painted black with that shiny and the sticker in there, I think it's going to look good. So that's that one. And then we got that one and that one. So when they're painted black, that's going to look really good. So we stripped the forks, polished them, cleaned up all the valves inside, changed tubes, stored the caliper, new pipe, metal and rubber, up new handlebars, new levers. So that's got to go up. Cleaned all the indicators up, repaired some of the wiring. When I bought it, this had a 250 engine in it. They're identical inside. The only difference is pistons and the cylinders. But it obviously had a 250 engine number. So I've got a part engine, half engine, off eBay, and we swapped them out and we made one good one out of the pair. So there it is down there. That's going to be on eBay. Done the shocks. It had the swinging arm out. Checked all the bearings, put it all back in and greased it. Cleaned the mud guard. So we were checking out the wiring at the weekend. That seems to be all okay. We're just going to rebuild this side up. Couldn't find the gear, so I've got a gear, and so we're going to rebuild it. But you have to put the seal in, put the gear in, then put the clutch on, then you can torque everything up. We're getting there. But, so I'm mumbling again. So be lucky and ride safe.